Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I am back with an order from Allie Edwards. So, I've opened it. I just wanted to show you guys the box. They're pretty basic. So, here we go. Let's see if I can do this. I don't know what I was thinking. I did not get a box over here or a table. Silly me. Okay, I think we can do it. I am going to wipe off this because you know what it is at our post office is so... I was standing outside the post office door today. I was waiting. And I don't know if y'all know this or not, but in Texas we have rattlesnakes. And I was standing in front of a bunch of stuff. And though it's cold right now, you wouldn't think we'd have any rattlesnakes. And I stood there and I thought, oh, you know what? I know better than this. There could be some rattlers right here. So I quickly moved and jumped around and... I was so silly. I don't know what to say. It's embarrassing. I know, it's embarrassing. But, I mean, we've had some very near misses here on the property. And where we go to get our mail, you know, it could happen. I'm not going to lie to you. It could happen. Okay. Whew, I got it. Yay. Sorry. I guess I should have done that before I opened it up. But okay, so I wanted to show you, this year I'm going to work out of this Allie Edwards. I wanted to do a week in a view, and I'm going to do like scrapbooking with creative memories, and I'm going to do like the, you know, like all the small pictures and things like that, all the, you know, 4.5 by 6 or whatever the size is, standard photo size. But I wanted something more for me to do, and I thought this was a really neat, it's kind of a faux leather, it's got the little you know, book plate there, and I just thought this was a really good idea. And it comes with 8 page protectors, just a variety of them, and then I added another set of a variety, and I think, did I add 2? I thought I added 2. I guess not. I think I just added the 1. So that will get me started. I know I need 52 weeks in a year. Yeah, there we go. Oh, goodness. Okay, I'm not tired. But I'll have to get me some more. I also picked up a one little word prompt based paper pack. So I've never done one of these before. And this is by Allie Edwards herself. And a lot of it is just pretty paper. But then there's some writing prompts. And I wanted some things to make me have to think through what I want to do next. So I thought that was a good choice. I also picked up the cork month, and I love these. I love these. I think these are fantastic. So can't wait to play with that. I also picked up some dividers, and these are for the Christmas time. And there's a vintage Santa and all kinds of good, you know, kind of that acrylic sheets. I think they are really pretty. And this is for the December daily, but I'm going to use them in December. So the end of next year. I also picked up this story, and it also comes with little bitty journaling cards that fit down in the pictures. So it gives you a place to write your story, and then it gives you some fun little cards that fit in the pockets. So I thought that was neat. I also picked up today's intentions, one little word. I don't have a word for next year. I don't have it yet. So I'm still thinking about that. Intentions, what actions can you take this year to invite this word into your life? So I got to come up with a word before I can intentionally invite that word in my life. Memories, long live opportunities for adventure. So I think these are charming. And I love this size. It's just different. That's all it is. Every now and then we have to do something different to kind of mix it up and help us be more productive. And that's what I'm doing. These are just little like travel tabs. And the tabs are at the top. And I just really like them. There's airplane. There's car, there's worlds. I mean, there's just a whole bunch of different ones. I think there's 6 total. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pardon me, 7. So I think that's really neat. I picked up some wellness stamps because many of you know I'm going to be taking care of some health things this year. So I thought these are great. And I also picked up more progress, less perfection. Things that I kind of think I was already doing, but I really need to accept it and own it and just be okay with it. Alright, I picked up today's details, so that gives you the 5 a.m. through 11 p.m. at night. I'm not going to do that every day, but I might, just, once a week throw one in just for fun, just to say this is what I did this week. I think those would be fun. Let me see here. Let me scooch this out of the way. I think I'm just going to put it in my bag. That's exactly what I'm going to do. Alright, I have this big bag I brought all the mail in, so it'll all fit back down in there. Make it visible. So this was a kit. And in this kit, I thought it was really kind of a neat kit. And I went out to my craft cottage and I have so much stuff I can use, but these are really neat. So these are just the one little word, like symbols and checkoffs and hearts and things like that. I thought that would be fun. Then there's some hearts, and they're kind of canvas. Okay, and then progress over perfection. I love that. And that's just a rubber, like a piece of rubber that you can use as a title or put a magnet on, put on your fridge. One little word, it says, how beautiful it is that the past did not define you and your story is being woven into something beautiful and new. Morgan Harper Nichols. So just lots of really good quotes. And then just great journaling type spots. And then there's just little sayings. And then here's some chipboard. And we're back to the little encouragements again. So this was a kit. I picked up this. So you're probably wondering, because you know me, yes, I used a big fat, coupon, or it was on sale, or whatever it was. You know it. I know. I didn't even have to. You didn't have to say it out loud. I knew you were going to ask. So I love these. I saw these and I thought these are so neat. Stories are here and there, like the marker on a map. I thought this was great. It's a little notepad. So love telling these stories. Another little notepad. And then a little tag pad with a date on it. I love that. This is something different, not like anything I've ever used, and I kind of like that. So, just to help with more journaling, I also picked up a roller stamp, and it says, make visible, hello, feeling, right now. It just kind of goes on, and this one is by Allie Edwards, so super neat. That was on sale. Matter of fact, if I think hard, this was probably all on sale. Photo flip pockets. I love these. I've used these 100 times over, and I just love them. So they are 4x4 photo flips and 12 4x4 photo flips. So that's pretty neat. And I've just started getting into some of the 4x4 pictures. There is one of the page protectors where you can put those long, skinny notepad, all that kind of good stuff in here. I thought that was fun. And then, let's see here. Okay, this is just WordFetti. It's all WordFetti sheets in here. So there's a goodly amount in there. Golly, probably 4 or 5 of those. So I love that. They're in different colors, so yellow, white, all that. So I thought that was fun. And I love WordFetti. So here is more journaling cards. And I just think I'm used to like Project Life. I'm used to Creative Memories. So bringing in somebody else is really good for me. It makes me get outside my comfort zone. That is not my favorite color in the world because I grew up with that on the carpet and everywhere. But I'm learning to appreciate it. So anyways, I think that'll be fun. I also picked up these. These are, I don't know how many of these there are. I think there were like 12, somewhere like that. And these are just cards with gold foil, and there's just different statements. This is by Gandhi. Be truthful, gentle, and fearless. And I love that. More journaling cards. And yeah. So I think these are darling. You can cut these in half or you can journal the whole thing. Love that. And that was Christmas, of course. And then here is more of those. This is Laura Ingalls Wilder. Our Hearts Grow. And I can't read the rest because it's blocked off. But this is for a December daily. So I love that. And yes, I was a huge Little House fan. I was such a dork. And actually, I really didn't watch it till I got older. I remember watching it some when I was younger, but man, I really loved it when I was raising my own children. So I picked up these that say self-care, and I love it. Say no, say yes, bath, friend, date, read, garden, do nothing, yoga, drink water, nap, meditate, move, write, early to bed, go outside, pray. I love that. Celebrating, and you get a whole notepad of those. And then look at these funky lines. Don't you love how funky those are? I love it. I don't know, just every now and then we need wonky lines. So I love things that are just a little bit different. Can you tell? So, okay. And then, last but not least, I got this little kit. And really and truthfully, guys, I just went through the sale stuff that I got. I mean, I'm not... I think the only thing and I actually think even the binder, I think I had a coupon or something for. So, you know, don't break the bank. Do what you can afford and keep it simple. I love when kits come in things like this. This is so great. It's so reusable. You can put it in albums. Maybe not the one I'm going to do. Let me see here. It may be too big. It might just fit if I put it in the back. I don't know. And these are just great to have to catch your memorabilia until you're ready to journal with them. So I love those. They always make me happy. Always, always, always. Okay, so let's see what comes in this kit. So, of course, we got our cork stars, and I love that. And I have the months of the year. I know, August, July, they're backwards if you can't see, March. Super fun. And then there's lots of hearts and just different little bits and pieces of ephemera. And yeah, and then here's the big hearts, which I love. They're wonky hearts. They're different type. They're black and white, and it's just fun. It's just different. I'm so color. It's kind of nice to see a neutral. I'll add my own color in. Note to self, today was awesome, great, pretty good, okay, meh, hard. These are great, because I think sometimes when we're doing our family journal, we never talk about that. But if we're doing a personal journal, that's a perfect card to work on. So, all right, some more one little word ephemera pieces, and these are a little bit chunkier. They are sticky backed, so progress over perfection. It always works good. And then here's some journaling cards. Be patient with yourself. Nothing in nature blooms all year. Amen. Though the world seems to think we're going to. So some more little word fatty, which I love. And there's several of them in here. And then I also picked up, these are the months of the year. So there's April there. And they're just little journaling cards, acrylic. Is what they are. They're just kind of a frosted acrylic with the name of the month. So I kind of like that. It's different. And then here are the dividers that fit my particular notebook. And I'm super excited. They're very neutral, and I kind of like that. I know that everybody else is going to look at that and go, oh, that's so boring. But you know me, there's going to be pink in there. So it won't be without color very long. And I really like the neutrals because there's various colors of pink. There's various colors of each shade. And I tend to focus in on like a small palette if I'm going to do pink, or a small palette of green, or small palette of blue, or whatever I'm looking at. So I get kind of like overly perfectionistic in that. And so with a neutral base, it lets me build the color the way that I would like to. And if you don't like a lot of color, what a good deal. This is a perfect kit for that. And I think this was the New Year one-word kit. I think I had a discount code for it, but I think these are the new year one-word kit. So, not word fatty, but one-word kit. So, anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this. This is Allie Edwards. I know a lot of my sweet friends here on this channel don't necessarily do Allie Edwards, but this is a different year for me, and I've done some of her stuff in the past. I haven't always shared it, but this is going to be my weekly journal, and yeah, it's going to be just a private journal for me to work through. So, all right, friends, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this. This is a very different haul for me, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Like this video if you liked it. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. And last but not least, if you think this video, this haul, would encourage somebody else, feel free to share this video. I just want to say, again, I don't really look at the numbers, and I happened... my computer went out when it did that. it logged me off of everything, so I had to log back in. And I happened to see we're not far from 1,200, guys. And you know, when we hit that 1,200 mark, I've got a big giveaway. So, 1,200 subscribers. Anyway, so long story short, who would have thought? And what a blessing. So, if you're not subscribed, we'd love to have you. And in order to participate in all the drawings and the fun things, you have to be subscribed. So, anyways, yeah, so come on in, join. Come on in. The water's fine. Join. We'd love to have you. It's a fun group. It's an amazing group here. And it's all built on the premise of being encouraging and encouraging each other. Okay, friends, I'm going to let you go. I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thanks for stopping by. I'm so glad I got to do this before I run and start getting ready. So, all right, I'll be talking to y'all later. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.